Hey, what's going on? It's DJ S.K.T, and for the first time ever, I've teamed up with FaderPro and Tool Room to take you guys inside my studio to show you how I make music.
It goes dun dun dun.
In this course, I'll be going in depth into how I make my beats, bass lines and vocals, plus I'll be showing you mix down techniques and mastering techniques so you guys can get the best out of your productions. I'm a DJ and producer based here in London. I've been making music since I was probably about 12 years old. I first started on PC using some software called EJ, and then when I was about 16 I went to music college and did a course in music technology and learnt Logic, and I've just been making music ever since there. I think for me, every record is just like progression, and I always try and push and evolve what I'm doing and my sound and stuff. I find I never recycle projects. I don't really understand people who do that. It's good for a brand, but in terms of just wanting to make music and wanting to experiment, I find that the most exciting stuff happens for me when I'm playing around and experimenting, rather than trying to constrict myself to a palette of sounds or a style, if that makes sense.
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm always trying to find a new sound or style or something, especially today. There's so much music that gets made, and for me, the more you can do to try and stand out, the more techniques you use to try and stand out within your production, the more your stuff's just going to kind of pop out. For me, I'm really proud to be able to make records that can kind of stand the test of time and still kill a dance floor like 7 years later.